Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture series, Learn Tamil through English. Today we will going to see about few vegetable names in English as well as in Tamil. This video will be very useful to learn Tamil. Like if you are seeing first time in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends and family. Let's start the video. So vegetable means in Tamil kai curry. I'm writing here. You can see kai curry. Okay. The corresponding pronunciation also in first one is in Tamil, then the same pronunciation in English. So the meaning for that corresponding vegetable, okay, that is called lady finger வெண்டைக்காய். கத்திரிக்காய் means brinjal, okay. Next one is பாகற்காய். பாகற்காய் means bitter gourd, okay. பாகற்காய் bitter gourd. Another one is பூசணிக்காய் pumpkin, okay. பூசணிக்காய் pumpkin. Next one is தேங்காய் means coconut. தேங்காய் coconut. Another one is next one is முருங்கைக்காய். முருங்கைக்காய் means drumstick. Next one தக்காளி. தக்காளி means tomato. தக்காளி means tomato. உருளைக்கிழங்கு. உருளைக்கிழங்கு means potato. Potato. Next one is சோரைக்காய். சோரைக்காய் means bottle gourd. Next one is புடலங்காய். The meaning for the pudalangai is snake gourd, okay, snake gourd. The last one is mullangi. Mullangi means radish, okay. So one more time I will read for the very fastly. வெண்டைக்காய் lady finger, கத்தரிக்காய் brinjal, பாகற்காய் bitter gourd, பூசணிக்காய் pumpkin, தேங்காய் coconut, முருங்கைக்காய் drumstick, தக்காளி tomato, உருளைக்கிழங்கு potato. Thank you so much for watching this video. Next video we will see with some other English words with Tamil meaning, Tamil words with English meaning. Thank you so much for watching.